Okay, dealing with exponents. Here we have this exercise number 4 that says 7m cubed times negative 3m to the power of negative 3. So this is a multiplication. What we have to do is multiply the coefficients, right? So I have to multiply 7 times negative 3. That would be equal to negative 21, right? That's what I have. And with the m, since I'm multiplying the m's, m to the power of negative 3 times m to the power of negative 3, that would become what? M to the power of 0, right? So this means that this is equal to negative 21, right? That should be the answer for this one. And let's go to the next one. Here we have negative 3a squared b cubed times 3a to the negative 5 and b to the 8, right? So what we have to do here is multiply the coefficients first, right? This times this, and then I will get negative 9, and then I can deal with the algebraic part, or with a and b, right? So that means that this would be a to the power of 2 times a to the power of negative 5. I have to add them, so it's like a to the power of negative 3, because it's like saying 2 minus 5 will give you negative 3, and b to the power of negative 3 plus this 8, right? That would give me what? To the power of 5, because negative 3 plus 8 will give me 5. And now I know that the answer should be negative 9 b to the power of 5 divided by a to the power of 3, because I need all powers to be positive, right? Let's go to the next exercise. That says number 7 and number 8. So for number 7, I must divide the 3 divided by the 6, so I can simplify this here 1, and this here will be 2. So I can say that this is equal to 1/2, right? And then with the n's, I will have n to the 7 minus 3, right? So that means that I will have n to the power of 4, right? That's what I should get at the end. So this would be 1/2 n to the power of 4, or I can say that this is like saying n to the power of 4 over 2, because it's the same, right? Either of these two is correct. So then I have number 8. I have to use distribute property here for this power and for this other power, right? Because they are inside the parentheses. So that means that I will have, this would be equal to a to the power of 2 times 2 would be 4, and b to the power of 2 times 3 would be 6, right? That should be the answer at the end. What is going to be the next exercise? Let's see. If I have this exercise that says this multiplication, I have to multiply the coefficients. I will get a negative 8 here, right? And then I have u times u squared will be u cubed, right? And then I can say that b squared times b would be b cubed. So this should be the answer, right? Let's move on to the other exercise that you had problems with, and it's going to be 25 and 27, right? In 25, I have to do, I have to subtract here, right? But here I have a negative and another negative. That negative 3 will become positive, right? So that means that negative 2 plus 3 would be only 1, so it's going to be k. Only k, the answer, right? K. And what I have here is that I will get the next exercise. I should have this, I have to subtract with this other with this one, subtract. But since all of the exponents on the denominator are negative, they will become positive. So at the end, I will add powers. So it would be x, 2 plus 3 would be 5, x to the power of 5, y to the power of 7 and z to the power of 9. That should be at the end your answer, guys, using properties.